Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 4th we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11 for chapter 4th Animal Kingdom. So let's start with the video. Question first. An important characteristic that hemichordates share with chordates is option A is absence of notochord, option B is pairings without gill slides, option C is pairings with gill slides, and option D is ventral tubular nerve coat. The right answer to this question is option C, pairings with gill slides. Question second. Pick the correct statement. Option A is all fishes have gills covered by the operculum. Option B is all reptiles have a three-chambered heart. Option C is all cyclostomes do not possess jaws and paired fins. And option D is all mammals are viviparous. The right answer to this question is option C. All cyclostomes do not possess jaws and paired fins. Question third. Body having meshwork of cells, internal cavities lined with food filtering flagellated cells, and indirect development are the characteristics of phylum. Option A is Porifera, option B is Colentetra, and option C is Protozoa, and option D is Mollusca. The right answer is option A, Porifera. Question fourth. A jawless fish which lays eggs in fresh water and whose amniocoitus larva after metamorphosis return to the ocean is option A is myzine, option B is petromyzone, option C is eptatratus, and option D is neomyzine. The right answer is option B, which is petromyzone. Question 5th. The taxon representing both freshwater and marine species is option A is Cnidaria, option B is Cinetophora, option C is Echinoderms, and option D is none. The right answer is Cnidaria. Question 6. This group of animals belong to the same phylum. The option A is earthworm and tapeworm. Option B is malarial parasite and mosquito. Option C is sponge and starfish. And option D is prawn and scorpion. The right answer to this question is option D, that is prawn and scorpion. Question 7. Characteristics of class Reptilia are option A, body covered with dry and conified skin. Scales over the body are epidermal. They do not have external ears. Option B, marine animals with the cartilaginous endoskeleton, body covered with placoid scales. Option C is freshwater animals with bony endoskeleton, air bladder to regulate buoyancy. Option D is body covered with moist skin which is devoid of scales. The air is represented by the tympanum, alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into the common cloaca. The right answer for this question is option A. Body covered with dry and conified skin. Scales over the body are epidermal. They do not have external ears. Question 8th. This category of animals correctly described with no single exception in it. Option A. All bony fishes have 4 pairs of gills and an operculum on each side. Option B. All reptiles possesses scales, have a 3-chambered heart and are a cold-blooded animals. And option D is all mammals are viviparous and possesses diaphragm for breathing. And option D is all sponges are marine and have collared cells. The right answer is option A. All bony fishes have 4 pairs of gills and an operculum on each side. Question 9th. One example of animals having a single opening to the outside that serves both mouth as well as anus is. The option A is Fasciola, option B is Estrius, option C is Esquida, and option D is Octopus. The right answer is option A, Fasciola. The last question for this lecture is, if a live earthworm is pricked with a needle on its outer surface without damaging its gut, the fluid that comes out is option A is excretory fluid, option B is slimy mucus, and option C is hemolymph, and option D is coelomic fluid. The right answer to this question is option D, coelomic fluid.